Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the thermostat in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new thermostat. The thermostat is located in the refrigerator compartment inside the console. It automatically controls the temperature by cycling the compressor on and off. If the refrigerator stops cooling at random, spoiling the produce, and knocking or turning the control knob brings the fridge to life, the thermostat should be replaced. To get to the part, we need to open the refrigerator door. Lift up slightly the upper shelf and remove the shelf out. Pull the control knob off. Locate the hole in the bottom front portion of the control console. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take out the screw in that hole and slowly lower the console. Release the rear hooks off by lifting them out. Using the flat blade screwdriver, open the side tabs and disconnect the two harness plugs. Work the plastic deflector out through the cutout at the back of the console and take it to the workable place. Lift the old thermostat up and using the flat blade screwdriver, take the ground wire and both power wires off the terminals. Take the sensor bulb out of the little channel and remove the thermostat entirely. Remove the plastic tube of the old thermostat. This is the old thermostat next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Uncoil the new thermostat sensor and slide the tube onto it. Shape up the sensor bulb and then, using the pliers, bend the ground terminal 90 degrees. Lock the end of the tube into the channel. Then connect the two power wires to the thermostat's terminals. The order is not important. And connect the one ground wire. Seat the thermostat in. Insert the diffuser into the opening in the back. Be careful, do not force it. Connect both plugs. Hook up the rear hooks and leave the console. Secure it with a single 1/4-inch screw. Install the control knob on. Reinstall the upper shelf. And close the door. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.